Welcome back to the Bluffton News. With me now is Takiya La'Shaune, and she has just launched a new venture in Hardeeville, and that is Girl Boss Studios. Welcome. Thank you for being here, Takiya.
Thank you for having me, Betsy. Good morning.
Good morning. So let's talk about this Girl Boss Studios. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, so Girl Boss Studios is the newest venture in the Takiya La'Shaune Salon family. It's an affiliate of the brow company Beauty Bar, which is my brand that's been around for the last 11 years. And Girl Boss Studios is a new twist, a new spin on an old concept. And basically, it's fully furnished studios, stations, and suites that offer beauty industry professionals and women-owned businesses, aspiring up-and-coming entrepreneurs, a cooperative and collaborative space that offers them a fully furnished setting. It's going to be turnkey, anything and everything that they could possibly need. You know, going into business is something that a lot of people may not have the capital or the access to funds to open up this space. And that space is turnkey and ready, from everything with a lounge to what is going to be needed to get their business up and functioning. And it's a hub where we are not only offering the decor and the space, but we are also partnered with a bank that is offering funding and access to grants and anything that up and coming or aspiring or current entrepreneurs can need to utilize to effectively run a more sustainable business.
Wow, that sounds really fantastic. So tell us a little bit about the target market and who would be the perfect candidate to come into your studio.
All right. Well, girl boss. So while we are, and we don't want to exclude anyone, we're already in the works of thinking about things for the gentlemen, for the guys, but you know, I'm a girl, I'm a woman, so that's my area target. It's open to female entrepreneurs. And again, I keep saying entrepreneur, but what we want to do is draw in those that either have started businesses or are looking to start businesses. It's open to everyone, again, as I said, but we want to go into the rural and the minority areas as well. We want to help minority business owners get their foot in the door and access some of the funding, but it is absolutely open to women from any county. We're expanding into Jasper County. My businesses have been in Beaufort County for the last 11 years, and now we're expanding, and we are just targeting women that want that assistance, that need that help.
Well, you mentioned a couple of times that you've been in business for 11 years. You've obviously been very successful at what you've done. What was your motivation and where did you get your inspiration to kind of take it to the next level and helping others to do that? And what does it mean to you to have reached this milestone?
It's amazing. Honestly, it is a dream for the last 8 or 9 years that I've had. My motivation really was my children. You know, my story was I got into the beauty industry and into entrepreneurship. I was homeless and I just needed to figure out a way to put food on the table and help my children. And that spun into a passion because people wanted to know my story, and I saw other women being inspired by that. And really over the last few years, with myself being in the industry, being a woman, number one, and then being an African-American woman, the trials and the tribulations and the obstacles that I've seen and that I've endured have just motivated me to be able to want to reach that community, to reach my community, and to offer them the assistance and the blessing, so to speak, that I've had, and kind of take the guesswork out of what they need to do and the hoops that they need to jump through. And so that's been my motivation: my children, women, my faith, and just wanting to see other people succeed.
Well, and obviously you've done a lot of that groundwork, so that is fascinating and great. And I know we've got about a minute left. I know you have a partnership you want to tell us a little bit about, and that's the Second Chance Community Outreach. Tell us about that partnership.
Yeah, Second Chance Community Outreach. Executive founder and director is Cherie Darian, an amazing 501c3 organization that has partnered with us to host this grand opening event on Wednesday, the 29th. They are going to be sponsoring 2 free rents, 2 studio rents to 2 lucky recipients. They are just going to be helping with assistance with grants, with funding, even paying rent for those entrepreneurs that qualify, that want to set up with our program and get that coaching and consulting and the networking and the experience that's necessary. So an amazing opportunity and a beautiful partnership.
Absolutely. Well, Takiya, congratulations. It's so exciting, and thank you for what you're doing in the community.
Thank you, Betsy. Always a pleasure.
September is Suicide Awareness Month. We'll take a look at how that pertains to teens after a quick break.